If you want to travel but don't want to spend too much money on flights, Skyscanner is one of the best tools you can use to find cheap tickets. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Skyscanner to find the cheapest flights step by step, even if you have never used the platform before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search for flights, compare prices from different airlines, and use a few simple tricks to find the best deals available. First, open your web browser and go to the Skyscanner website, or open the Skyscanner mobile app on your phone. On the home page, you will see the flight search section. Start by entering your departure city in the From field and the destination city in the To field. After that, choose whether you want a one-way trip or a round-trip flight. Then select your travel dates. If your schedule is flexible, you can choose the whole month option. This feature shows you the cheapest days to fly during the entire month, which is one of the easiest ways to save money. Once you enter your travel details, click the search button. Skyscanner will now scan hundreds of airlines and travel websites to find available flights for your route. After a few seconds, you'll see a list of results. At the top of the page, Skyscanner usually highlights the cheapest option, the fastest option, and the best option that balances both price and travel time. To find even cheaper flights, you can use the filters on the results page. For example, you can filter flights based on the number of stops, departure time, airline, or price range. Sometimes flights with one stop are cheaper than direct flights, so checking different options can help you save money. Another useful feature on Skyscanner is the price alert. If you are not ready to book immediately, you can set a price alert for your route. Skyscanner will notify you when the flight price goes up or down, helping you book at the best possible price. When you find a flight that fits your budget, click on it to view the booking options. Skyscanner will show you several providers offering the same flight. Choose the one with the best price or the provider you trust, and then click Select. You will be redirected to the airline or travel website where you can complete the booking. Summary: in this tutorial, we learned how to use Skyscanner to find cheap flights by searching routes, comparing airlines, using filters, checking flexible dates, and setting price alerts. These features make it easier to identify the best flight deals and save money when booking your travel tickets. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.